Hello, everybody. My name is Victoria Vitale. I am a student tutor at Kane University, and today I'm going to be talking about how to write a cover letter. So usually when you're applying for a job or an internship, you always attach your resume to the application, and then there are some jobs or companies that require a cover letter and some that don't. But it's always good to have one because it makes your application stronger. And basically what a cover letter is, it's just a letter to the company or a specific person in the company where you talk about yourself and your interest in the company and the position that you want to apply for. So as you see here, it says 86% of executives say that cover letters are important. So in the first paragraph, the opener, you want to include the position that you're applying for. So for example, I am applying for the summer 2022 legal internship position at Cutner Law Office. You want to be specific about the position that you're applying for always. Second, if you were recommended to apply for this job, or if somebody informed you of this job opening, you want to give them credit. So for example, Ms. Kotler, business law professor at Kane University, informed me of this excellent opportunity. Also, if you have met them prior, either at a career fair or a career seminar, make sure to include that as well. In paragraph 2, you have who you are. So this is where you're going to talk about yourself. You're going to introduce yourself, say what school you go to, your GPA, and you're going to use your prior job skills and experience to match up with the internship and job description. So this paragraph is going to be about 3 sentences long. And usually when you're applying for a job or an internship, they give you like a list of the skills that they're looking for. So you want to include any special skills you may have, especially the ones related to the job description. So for example, if you're applying for a digital marketing position, you may want to include that you are savvy with social media, have organization and project management skills, are analytical, etc. Paragraph 3, why this company? So this is where you're going to emphasize your interest in the company and why you want to work for them above all other companies. So this is also going to be about 2 to 3 sentences, and you want to read the company's mission statement or a recent article about them, and maybe throw in some information in your cover letter about what you've learned about the company by doing research on them, because this shows that you have an interest in the company and it will really get the company's attention when they're reading your cover letter. So for example, down here, I put impressive how Target made its first $1 billion sales in 1979. They're going to be like, wow, like this person really did research on us. So this is where you emphasize why you want to work for this company, and you want to definitely emphasize your interest for working for the company. In paragraph 4, we have the closer. So this is where you want to thank them for taking the time to read your credentials and for reviewing your credentials. You want to attach your resume at the bottom and maybe say something like, attached below is my resume. I would really appreciate it if you took a look at it. And then you want to tell them that you look forward to meeting them in person or speaking to them soon. But in order to do that, you have to make sure that you leave or provide your contact information. Do not forget this step. This is a very essential step, because if you do not leave your contact information, then, well, they're going to have no way to contact you. So make sure you give them your phone number or your email address or both, so that they have a way to contact you. And lastly, just some general tips about writing a cover letter. You want to make sure your contact information is correct. Make sure there's no typos, because if there are, then, well, when they go to call you or email you, you're not going to get it. You want to personalize the letter. So when you're writing the cover letter, you don't want to say to whom this may concern. You want to use a specific person's name or a specific title. So if you want to contact the director of marketing, say, dear the director of marketing, if you don't have like a specific name, if you can't find a specific name to use, but you don't want to say to whom this may concern, you want to keep it personal. Confidence is key. Sound confident in your writing. Companies love to see confidence coming from, potential employees or interns that they're going to be hiring. Keep it short and sweet. Try to avoid extra words that you don't need, like very or actually. Keep it right to the point. They like that. Definitely proofread it and read it out loud. You want to make sure that there aren't any grammar mistakes and that it has a nice flow to it. No run-on sentences, and even after you've read it, find 2 friends or peers that could also read it, because it's always good to get an extra pair of eyes, or a couple of extra pair of eyes, to make sure that you didn't miss any grammar mistakes or anything like that. And lastly, you want to show up your creative writing skills. Show them that you know how to write. Show them that you're the person for the job. And quickly, I'm just going to show you an example of a cover letter that I wrote when I was applying for an internship position at a law firm in 2019. So here you see I have my name. This address is a fake address, so I just put something in so you guys can see an example. Um, a phone number, an email address. Then I have the date, the person that I'm writing the letter to, the name of the law firm, and the address of the law firm. So here we go. We have Dear David Kritzer. It is with my utmost enthusiasm to express my interest in interning for your company at Kritzer Law Group this upcoming summer. My name is Victoria Vitale, and I am a sophomore attending Kane University pursuing a business management major. I gained knowledge about your law firm through a close friend of mine, Aaron Hellman, who has interned for you in past years. So that is where I gave credit to the recommender right there. And I opened strong and I said that I wanted to be an intern at their company. I stated the position that I wanted. And now we're going to get into the second paragraph. Kritzer Law Group is one of the most credible and effective law firms on Long Island and a place that seems to attract young potential lawyers. I think I would make a great contribution interning for your law firm, given that I have all the essential skills to help ensure company success. I've recently landed an internship with Career Services at my university where I learned a diverse amount of skills to help secure myself a future job. I also have exceptional writing ability, given that I wrote a published book, which is important given that reading and writing are essential skills to have in the field of law. So there I talked about the skills that I have that are relevant to the skills that the company is looking for. And I also kind of emphasize my interest, but then in the next paragraph, I really talk about why I'm interested in working for them. So right here, my interest in your company originally sparked from the remarkable reviews and recommendations it has received. Your law firm provides outstanding legal services in the areas of insurance defense litigation, business and commercial litigation, and appellate advocacy. So that shows right there that I, one, did my research, two, I'm interested in working for the company, and three, well, like I said, it shows that I know what I'm talking about. I have the information about their company. I've researched it. I'm interested in it, and I kind of made them sound like, like I said up here, where they're one of the most credible and effective law firms on Long Island, which is part of why I want to work for them over other companies. And then I closed it out by thanking them, attaching my resume and leaving contact information and saying that I'm looking forward to speaking with them. So I said right here, thank you so much for taking the time to review my attributes. Attached below is my resume for your deliberation. I am extremely excited to speak with you in person. If you would like to contact me, my phone number is 631-383-8305 and my email is vitavic@kane.edu. I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Victoria Vitale. And I attached my resume at the bottom. So that is just a little a little video kind of on how to write a cover letter and what a cover letter should look like. And I really hope this helps. So thank you guys so much for listening and have a good day.